Welcome back to Beck. So today we're going to pick up the trailer that got left here last week because the truck got stuck and the ground was too soft. Today it's a lot drier, so should have a lot better success today than I did a week ago. Alright, so I got that trailer run hooked up on nice dry gravel ground. Gonna go down here and check something else out. Might make a repair on today. Then we'll pick the trailer up and take it back home. The 53 Ferguson. The starter button doesn't want to work. At least it didn't. There's no power going across it, so it's real simple to change out. So that's pretty much where we're going to start. I verified I had battery voltage. It was over 12. Well, this is going to work one-handed, but give it a shot. That kind of sucks. Okay, so I got the two together. They were together on the one side of the switch. Touch this to that and see if the starter engages. Key on. This wire here comes down, it goes into a starter solenoid like on a Ford, so I guess it's not closing. I'm going to try to rule out the simple stuff. So got a voltmeter, I'm going to check it. It's reading. Little correction tool. Well, I don't have 12 volts across there like I did before. Now we got to think about this. Well, maybe the answer's in a beer bottle.
1 hour later.
You think a chicken farmer's favorite car is a coupe? Okay, back at it. So, when you're checking voltage, you're measuring the difference. So when you check the voltage on the battery, you're going from the negative to positive, you get a 12.5 volt difference, because that's the battery voltage. When I was checking wires, I come back over here and I check this wire that feeds from the positive down to the starter solenoid, and I had, let's see if it'll come up here. There you go, 1.5 volts. That means 1.5 volts difference. compared to the negative side. So there isn't 12 volts coming from this cable. I tried to repeat it. I wiggled this cable around and I finally got it to change. I had 12 volts. I hit the starter, I hit the button to start it, and it gave one little click, checked the voltage again, and it was back to reading just like, you know, this roughly. Well guys, real quick, I was doing another check and I grabbed this cable and I kind of wiggled it and I could see the whole connection moving. Grabbed that, twisted it, and checked the voltage again, had 12 volts. So, all it was a battery connection. Yeah, simple stuff. Try to always check the simple stuff first. That's the stuff that when you come back, start just changing parts and swapping stuff out. That's the stuff that's going to go back to bite you. So, when you're trying to figure something out, always do the simple stuff first. Verify you got battery voltage. Verify you got power. Whatever, whatever it is. Your vehicle cranks and won't start. Verify you got fuel. Maybe the gauge isn't reading. I've had that issue before. Like my dad says, all big problems are little once you figure them out. What we're going to do today, got the tractor fixed, got the trailer unstuck, it's hooked up, I just checked the tires, so now we're headed home. So thanks for watching.